Hello, I'm Anna Kasatkina and welcome to the InstaForex news channel. The British pound has a relaxation period at the moment. The combination of a more favorable than expected economic data, the weakening of the talks about the further qualitative easing, and the fact that the attention of the investors shifted to the increasing economic problems of other countries supported the pound last week. Instead of undergoing a fresh declining pressure, the British currency was trading mostly in the sideways channel as the investors were tending to revise their forecast. The hopes that the economic growth in the third quarter will not be as slow as expected were backed up by a series of positive economic data, including higher retail sales and the house prices enhancement, which is reported by Halifax. The higher than forecasted growth of the balance of trade deficit is likely to have disappointed as the export escalation appeared lower than foreseen. However, the same data were also pointing to the remaining stability of the domestic demand in Britain. This was good news for the British currency, since in such conditions the strain on the Bank of England recedes to the side of the further monetary policy easing. The data released on Friday, which demonstrated that the retail prices of the producers decreased more than expected and the purchase prices left unchanged, was certainly favorable for the central bank. However, the inflation is expected to remain above the target level of the central bank for some time, thus guaranteeing that the bank will tend to avoid the qualitative easing. The politicians have supported the pound as well, as the coalitional government is getting ready to announce the reduction of the governmental expenditures next month. There are signs that they are trying to avoid the initially planned austerity measures. Earlier, the OECD presented a new optimistic outlook according to which the economy in Britain in the third quarter will be expanding faster than in other countries of the G7. The OECD offered the coalitional government to put on hold the reduction of the expenditures when the growth deceleration is slower. Such comparison of the British economy to the economies of other major countries is also considered a positive factor for the pound. Follow the latest events on the financial markets with InstaForex. Thank you and goodbye.